I thought this wooden metal case would be a pretty simple build, until I started bending this arch, and that turned into a real problem. What to do? I'm Wood Dude. My sister asked if I could oh god, sorry, I'm a little sick. My sister asked if I could build her a proper hanging metal display cabinet thing. And being the world's okayest brother, I said, yeah, alright. Most of the design was pretty straightforward, but the one thing that mattered most was this solid wood curved top. That's where the things got all complicated, because wood tends to grow like this, and not like this. I tried a few different ways to bend the wood into that arch. My first thought, just steam the piece and then bend it, but it really did not seem to care.
Sweet mother of God!
Alright, plan B. If it won't bend thick, let's make it thin. So I cut up some thin slices and tried bending it.
I've got a thinner piece here. You see? Very thin, flexible. That didn't flex at all. Let's give it a shot. Oh, okay. Yeah. I think we're almost there.
Still not quite there. So I doubled down. Why not thin pieces plus steam? I created a form to bend the pieces around using some of my ratchet straps, which I thought would work well. They did not work well. So I built a two-sided form to press the wood from both directions. But in all the chaos and pandemonium, I forgot one small detail.
God damn it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that one hurt. You see here, I didn't add a gap in between the two form halves. There was no space for the wood to actually bend, which means it put way too much stress on the forms, causing it to snap. So, I rebuilt it. Proper gappage this time. And when you know it, it finally bent.
My God. It worked. It's not great. There's a lot of gaps.
Also, some bigger problems. I noticed the piece came out warped and twisted, which are fixable if I wasn't at my mental limits with this project. Instead of forcing solid wood to bend, I changed the plan. If wood wouldn't want to bend, God, say that 5 times fast, what if I made plywood bend? Instead of trying to fight the grain, I cut relief lines into the plywood, having my router carve away almost all the material until I'm left with a small sliver. All those relief cuts put together let it flex into an arch. And once I built the frame, I painted the inside black and sanded the outside of the curve smooth. I wrapped it in some walnut veneer, and you'd never notice the pain that came before it. Once the arch was done, the rest of the case started coming together. I added a thick walnut shelf at the bottom with a steel metal bar so magnets could hold stuff and memorabilia. And of course a metal rack to hang the metals, which is kind of the point of all this. And just when I thought I was done, I got a text. Yeah, alright.
This is not square, but that's okay. We can still make it work.
Now I'm done. After all the bending and snapping and rebending and then resnapping and then rethinking, it finally came together. Walnut arch, hanging metals, metal bar for magnets, and now a matching jewelry box. And when I finally sent my sister a picture of it, I really felt like the world's okayest brother.